today I'm going to show you how easy it is to clean out these hard water stains that you see on the inside of my toilet. You can see right here in this little area where I actually got the stain out using a pumice stone. Now you just can't use any pumice stone. You have to use a certain kind of pumice stone. You're more than likely going to wear it down. As you can see, just from the little bit that I removed, you can see how it's worn down. But this is how it was on one corner, nice and finished. And now on this corner, you can see how it's a little worn down. But anyways, I cannot get rid of the stain around the bowl from a traditional toilet brush. It just doesn't work. And I've tried everything from pouring Coca-Cola and bleach and leaving it in there and all kinds of other acids and you name it. We've tried it, and the water here in Lee County, at least the well water, it turns kind of like an orange color, and it makes that little discoloration right around there, and it won't come off for nothing. So what I'm going to do is I decided I'm going to make a little video showing how I clean the stain off of here so that you guys can see and you can do it for yourself, because short of doing this, I would have to literally get a new toilet, and I'm not buying a new toilet. This is a rental. I cleaned this once before with a pumice stone that my mother had, that was my grandmother's from back in the 50s or 60s. And you can see how it's taking the stain away. This, guys, is a lifesaver. Now, it's not, if it's scratching the bowl, you are not noticing any scratch marks. I tried with like Brillo and had a toilet prior to this that we had already replaced because we've been here 7 years. And what happened when I did that was it left these scratch marks all up and down wherever I had used it. So this might be a little harder to get off. I'm not even sure myself. I'm doing it for you guys on camera, and I hope I don't drop my phone in the toilet. Now there's two sides to this pumice stone, guys. Take a look. You got a dark side and a white side. I'm not sure what that white side will do. If it's any better. It doesn't seem so. It's the gray side that's helping. Now, I bought this in Walmart. There's a little section where they sell foot creams and things like that over near the pharmacy. And they have like the Mr. Teal's Epsom salt foot lotions and all kinds of weird stuff like that. So you can see all the way around. I'm going to flush it. Clear out the water for y'all. You can see where I've cleaned it and where I haven't. And this isn't really taking that much elbow grease. And what I mean by elbow grease, for those who don't know, is I'm not pushing that hard. I'm not working that hard to get those stains off of there. They're coming out on their own. Now I am putting a little pressure, like I'm pressing harder. This is you guys don't even know how much I'm enjoying the fact that I can get this to work, because I bought another pumice stone and it didn't work. It was like falling apart. This is a nice, this was like $4.99 for this pumice stone. It says it's the world's best pumice stone, Onyx Professional. Okay, it's a woman-owned company. 70800. Like I said, it was about $4.99. Wasn't a cheap one. They do have like a 97 or $1.97 one. I'm trying to focus in on what that says right there, but it's not working in my favor, guys. It says exfoliates and soothes, but that's the one that you want to buy. You're watching it live. Okay, you probably want to wear some gloves. And there's even some up there. Save me from having to buy a $100 toilet. It's not my house, but I live here. And I sure don't like having a toilet that looks like I don't clean it. And I damn sure do. Guys, you can see how much of this stone now is gone. Again, I would wear gloves if I was you. I didn't. But, okay guys, so there you have it. If you have a really hard water stain in your toilet that you can't get out for nothing from a lot of iron in the water, so then that's the way to do it. Thanks for watching my videos. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it. If you know someone who might have a stained toilet, please share it with them. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so down below. Thanks, and y'all be blessed.